Today is an artificial angel goddess tears outfit. Let the novice not miss the super detailed details of every detail, all in one follow-up. I want to clean my skin and keep my face clean and dry. Adjust your face shape. Lift the face with the help of tape. Stick it on the sideburns at 2 places, not lower than the earlobe, obliquely to the back of the head and around half a circle. A square and round face can become an oval face in seconds. Clean skincare before makeup and do a good job of hydrating and moisturizing. Especially, the toner can be sprayed a few more times. Then use it again. A light lotion or cream locks in moisture. The degree of micro stickiness is the best makeup state. Purple isolation squeezes out the size of 2 soybean grains, used to correct facial yellowing and dullness. Concealer is tiled over blemishes. Don't worry, pat on the setting spray to form a film for it. Then poke it in place with a tight brush. The best concealer effect is achieved. Foundation squeeze pump. Tile the face with the help of a brush. Then pat it open with a puff. Take care of every place. Brightening is on the depression in your face. Corner lift, chin, forehead, T-zone, these positions. You can change the puff to a smaller one when you open it, so you can good control of the range of smudges. On liquid grooming, located in the shadow of natural growth. Increase the folding degree of the entire face. The advantage of liquid is that it is softer and more natural, suitable for initial adjustment of structure. Choose this pink one for blush. Like the cheeks and the bridge of the nose. Nose, painted him all over his chin. Brush a layer on the face. After all, the atmosphere is never too much. Full face setting with transparent loose powder. Preserve the color on the face. Do it today with ice flashcards. He sighs in his heart every time he uses it anyway. This is silky. Go directly, dip your hand in the ice mist and apply it to the eyelids in a large area. Wow, this is Enoch Flash. Take the moon spoon and add it to the back end of the eye. The sense of hierarchy comes out. Change the brush and rub the lower eyelids evenly. Change the detail brush in the dip outline. Emphasize the eye socket. The lower eyeliner is also deepened. Take double eyelid stickers to adjust eye shape. The overall double eyelid widens it. The end of the eye opens to form a large fan-shaped double eyelid. Use a freezing point black eyeliner pen. Outline the eye shape of a parallelogram. The entire eye is tilted at the head down and the tail up. The eye tails are basically connected. Don't leave the eyeliner part too long. The fold lines of the double eyelids are also elongated and the seedlings are clear. Detail brush dipped in this dark pink brown. Smudge all the lines, make the lines softer and more natural. Agio saliva and trace it. Doesn't need to be too wide. Parallel to the lower eyeliner. The eye socket line is also deepened for smudging. Achieve a certain deep 3-dimensional effect. The inner corner of the eye and the back end of the eye are filled with red. Simulate natural eyelid color. Ice mercury adorns eye and agio saliva. Also super flash. Paste this whole upper eyelash first. Paste exactly according to the eye shape we drew. Stick this baby bend style on the gap between the end of the eyes. If it sags slightly, it can block the gap. Fill the eyelash roots with eyeliner. The lower eyelashes are also pasted with this natural style. It will be more coordinated as a whole. Ice skates have no base color but blue glitter polarized. You can stack a little in your eyes. White water-soluble pigment to change the overall color of the eyelashes. This eye makeup is like a finishing post, so delicate. Copy and paste directly with the other eye. Guava blush. Add another layer to make the color more intense. The atmosphere is also improved again. Sliding rock is this cold pink purple burst glitter wet, lushly directly on the cheek. It's kind of cold and broken. This makeup is for that sparkling feeling. The more, the better. Like the cheeks and the bridge of the nose. The highlight points of the nose are painted. The eyebrow part, let's start with a light brown color as a base. Brow raised, tail lowered. Completely ignore the shape of your eyebrows. He lightened his eyebrows with eyebrow cream, weakened existence. Take a darker brown, deepen the midline of the eyebrow. The shape is completely determined. The eyebrow pen also uses 2 color numbers. Light brown, draw the hair flow as a whole first, and then black and brown to accentuate the hairs. The mainline stereo is also already available. Then use the Ice Oxygen White Eyeliner pen. Don't add a few hairs. Increase layering. The concentration of the eyebrows and eyes has been determined. Then adjust the stereo in the surface. Keep the nose size consistent with the deep root width. Beyond. The Mr. Sweeper belt emphasizes the 3-dimensionality of people and chin position. The shadows will have a shrinking and stopping effect. The outer contour is cleaned as a whole. Adjust fluency and detail. Forehead interview. Part of it is drawn with a white eyeliner pen. The largest part is the sun, an effect with radiance. Add some elements of the moon and stars. Just let him slide a little bit. Liquid, eyeshadow, a tear is superimposed on the entire pattern. When you change the angle of your face, can reflect light. Tears are made of hot melt adhesive. This three-dimensional effect is better. After brushing the false eyelash glue on, post it where you want it. Let's brush the details again. Thin flash. It takes on a luster like a pearl. Take a little blush, sweep it around the edge of your lip first. Apply a layer of lip mud as a base first. Do not apply it. Apply to the inside first, and then use your lips